Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are going to draw something very special, our Indian flag. First we will draw the flag post. Make a long straight line going up. Wow, that's tall! Now, let's make it a little thick so it looks strong and steady. Next, we will draw the flag. From the top of the post, draw a big wavy rectangle. Whoosh! It looks like the flag is flying in the wind! Now, let's draw the rope.
Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing.
First, we will color the flag post with brown. Now, let's color the circle on the flag post with yellow. Next, it's time for the flag. Color the top stripe saffron. Now color the bottom stripe green. In the middle, we will draw the Ashoka chakra. Make a small circle first, and then tiny lines inside it.
And it's done! Bye friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.